2 days ago or 2 nights ago, I was getting text messages from a new agent. And I'm going to go to this class, but I'm not going to do this. And I'm going to do this, but that's not me. And this is and not, and not, and not. And so I looked at this and I called her and I said, "You have children, right?" "Yes, I've got children." You ever, when they're two, say, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to. If you're not going to do it, you're not going to do it. But here's my question for you. It's talking to her. What are you going to do? Stop telling me what you're not going to do and step in and do and try this.